Today is Saturday. The sun is shining. I am in the park. I like this park. There are many trees and one big lake. I am walking near the lake. I am eating an ice cream. It is tasty. Suddenly, I see something on the bench. It is a hat. It is a funny hat. It is big and yellow. There are flowers on the hat. Oh, it is a nice hat. Who is the owner? I look around. No people near the bench. I take the hat. My ice cream is melting. Drip! A drop of ice cream falls on the hat. Oh no, I am sorry, hat. I try to clean it. Now my hand is sticky. It is a disaster. I go to the security office. It is a small building. There is a security guard inside. His name is Mark. He is a big man with a big belly. He is eating a sandwich. Excuse me, I find this hat. Mark looks at the hat. He looks at my sticky hand. He looks at the ice cream on the hat. He smiles.
Oh dear, the hat is sticky.
Just then the door opens. A man runs in. He is not young. He is maybe 70 years old. He has white hair and a red face. He is very nervous.
My hat. My beautiful yellow hat. I lost it.
Mark points at me.
This girl has a hat.
The old man looks at me. He looks at the hat. He sees the ice cream. His face is not happy.
My hat. It is a special hat. It is my lucky hat. What is this? Ice cream?
I am very embarrassed. I am so sorry. My ice cream. It was an accident. The old man takes the hat. He looks at it. He is quiet for a second. Then he starts to laugh.
It is okay. My granddaughter loves ice cream too. Now my hat smells like a strawberry. It is funny.
Mock laughs too. His belly is shaking.
It is a strawberry hat.
I feel better. Thank you. You are very kind.
I am Peter. Thank you for my lucky hat. It is now a lucky and tasty hat. You need a new ice cream. Let's go to the cafe I buy. It is a small thank you.
Mark the security guard waves his hand. So, Peter and I go to the cafe. We have coffee and ice cream. Peter tells me stories about his hat. He wears it every Saturday. Now, every Saturday, I look for Peter in the park. We are friends.